Unlocking the World of Blockchain, a Beginner's Guide. Imagine a world where transactions are safe, transparent, and unchangeable. Welcome to the revolutionary technology of blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This ensures that each entry is secure and permanent. Unlike traditional systems, blockchain operates without a central authority, making it incredibly resilient to fraud and corruption. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions. Once a block is completed, it's linked to the previous, creating a chain. This technology is not just for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's reshaping industries by offering solutions for secure, decentralized transactions. Imagine buying a house with the press of a button without the need for countless intermediaries. Blockchain makes this possible. Blockchain is more than technology, it's a movement towards transparency, security, and efficiency in all aspects of digital transactions.